What's going on, everyone? Here I am back again. It's your boy Nanu Garage, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about the update on the Shelby Gt350. So the Gt350 has been gone for quite a while now. To be exact, it's been 45 days that the car has been sitting inside of the shop. So some may be quick to blame Ford for this and the Ford dealership I took it to. However, they are handling this very well, and the reason I know they are is because the last I heard from the dealer is that they put in a new cylinder block plate, which is the part that was vibrating, and the car was still vibrating with the new one in. So they said that now they are further diagnosing the car to see if the clutch, transmission, or flywheel is causing it. The car has been sitting up on a lift with the transmission out, supposedly, and I happened to be in the area today, so I stopped by, went inside of the shop where they were working on it, and took some videos for all of you guys. So huge shout out to the technician for showing us everything with the car and letting us go into the shop. So shout out to the Ford dealer for being super chill about it. So now I'm going to show you guys the clutch out of the car, the transmission out of the car, the exhaust out, the drive shaft out, everything out on it, and what's next for the car. So now let's cut to the footage. So check it out, Gt350, this is the update to it. It's on the lift right now, as you can see, and it's been sitting here. He's currently waiting for the Ford hotline to reply to him, but got the exhaust on the ground right over here, and as you can see, cats are right over here, the cats are, and the whole entire drive shaft. As you can see, it's all taken out around here. Drive shaft is out right over here too. Transmission is out too. And then we have our flywheel and our clutch is out also. And then the rear cylinder block plate that was vibrating is this part right over here. So with throwing some more stuff right over here, the vibration stopped with this piece right up over here. But he's a good technician, so he knew that that wasn't a good fix for it. So now he's going to try to get a new flywheel and clutch in and hope that that changes and fixes the vibration. So take a look at it. This is what it's like underneath the Gt350, and the block plate goes right up over here. And then this is the transmission sitting right here. See the Tremec sitting right over here. And then we got our clutch. And you can see our clutch plates and stuff too. You can see right over here. So we got our clutch and everything sitting right down over here. So clutch, transmission is out. Man, I miss this thing so much, but it's getting done right and it's in the right hand. So once again, so you can just see it, cats are taken off, and block plate goes into these screws right over here. And he was saying one of the bolts that does not come out with the transmission came out with the transmission. It's the bell housing bolt. So the bell housing bolt he's going to try to replace too. And he said the free plate on this piece right over here exceeded the free plate it was supposed to have. So it has too much free play right over here. So hopefully Ford Hotline sends back some more promising results and he's able to replace the clutch and the flywheel both, put the transmission back in, and everything will be perfect. So now that you guys saw all that footage, just to give a little bit of further context once again, the block plate, you could have fixed the buzzing issue by adding that little piece of rubber on it. However, even though that piece of rubber fixed the issue, that's not really fixing the issue fundamentally with the car. The buzzing is coming from one of the key components with the car, the transmission, the flywheel, the clutch. So the technician is very certain that replacing the flywheel and the clutch will help fix the car. So he contacted the Ford hotline and he said, hey, this is what we need to do, this is what I want to do. And he's waiting for them to respond back. So it's been a full week and they haven't responded back. To be exact, I think it's been like 8 days. And Ford Hotline hasn't said anything back, so I think he's at the point where he can now take action and do it himself. So I really do look forward to potentially those things going onto the car or another solution with the car. I'm just really excited to eventually get it back, hopefully sometime in the future. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section of what's going on with the Gt350. I hope you guys are glad that I was able to go into the shop and check it out, because I was actually super psyched to see the car torn apart. It was actually really cool, the process that they're going through, and to be able to see the whole entire clutch and the transmission out of the vehicle and the drive shaft, exhaust, all that stuff completely out, especially with it up on the lift, being able to look underneath it. So if you guys enjoyed today's YouTube video, hit that like button. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. And also hit that notification bell to stay updated on all of my content. Also leave a comment down below what you guys think of the Shelby update. Do you think it's promising results or not? So like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Peace.